Hi guys! Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and mini review of a bag from Milaner. So if you're unfamiliar, Milaner is a luxury brand that specializes in bags and shoes and some other accessories, and they work with Italian and French artisans to produce these really luxurious handmade pieces. The craftsmanship is exquisite. They're really gorgeous pieces that are meant to last a lifetime. So I can't wait to show you which bag I got. Alright, so I got the classic Elena handbag in this beautiful woven vachetta leather. Not really sure how you say it, but it's a gorgeous leather that's going to develop a beautiful patina over time. So it's kind of this light tan color, but over time it will start to turn colors, get a little bit darker, and you'll start to see more scratches and marks on it. But that is the point of this leather. It's supposed to just wear beautifully and, you know, tell a story, because it's not going to be perfect, but the leather is going to hold up really well, and it's going to be a piece that lasts you a long time, and it's perfect for taking on trips and just getting a lot of use out of, because this leather is really, really nice. So let's take a look inside. All right, so we're going to open this bag. It does have a magnetic closure, so that will help to keep everything inside. And inside is this beautiful, durable cotton lining. And then we have one pocket here. So it is a good, decent size. You can definitely fit a good amount of stuff in there. And then on the other side, we have another pocket with these gorgeous little pulls, woven leather pulls. And inside is the same thing, another really decent sized pocket. So two pockets inside with zippers, which I love because then everything stays secure. And the rest of it is just an open inside. All right, so I got the classic size. As you can see, it is pretty big. It will definitely fit your laptop in here, but there are two other sizes. There's a travel size. It looks pretty much exactly the same, except the dimensions are going to be bigger. And then there's a mini size, and obviously that's smaller. That's going to be a more like everyday carry bag for just like your iPad and a few other essentials. This bag would be great as like an everyday travel tote if you have to carry more stuff, your laptop, some other things if you're going to work. And then the travel size obviously will be good for if you are going on a longer vacation, you need to fit more stuff, or you're going to the gym, so you need to pack extra clothes. So I'll be showing you what I can fit in this bag coming up. Okay, so now it's time for a little what I can fit in my bag. First of all, I always love to add a scarf to my tote bags because it just makes it look extra pretty. So I first am going to put in my laptop. So this is a 13-inch, and obviously this bag could fit a much bigger laptop. So that fits. I'm going to put my planner. Then we have my wallet, goes nicely in there. We have a water bottle, fits nicely in there. We have my sunglasses in their case. We have my makeup pouch, so I could even stick that in the zip compartment to keep that extra secure. We have some lotion. I'll stick that in the zip compartment as well. And then finally, because I still have a lot more room in here, I could fit a pair of flats, or when I want to change out of my heels. So my bag is pretty heavy right now because of all that stuff, but as you can see, I still have a lot more room in here. I could fit a bunch of lighter items. I still have a whole zip compartment that I didn't use. And so there's still a lot more room in here to fit some other things. So as you can see, this is even a really nice travel bag. You could fit a whole lot of stuff in here, but it's also a great bag to take to work because it will fit your laptop, it will fit books, it'll fit just a ton of stuff. So there you go. All right, so final thoughts is that this is a really gorgeous bag. I love the woven leather. It feels strong, it feels durable, but it's also really beautiful. It's going to wear really well, so you can definitely, don't be afraid to use it and take it on your trips, and you know, get it a little bit messed up, because that's the point. This is a bag that's going to tell a story. It's going to have some beautiful markings on it. The leather is just going to get this beautiful patina and develop over time. It is maybe a little bit more expensive than you'd be used to spending on a bag, but it's an investment piece, and like I said, this bag is going to last you a long time. So I think it's definitely worth it, and it comes in other sizes as well. So if this size is not something you'd use every day, you can check out the travel size for the mini size. But yes, I definitely recommend this bag, and I definitely recommend Milaner in general for some beautiful bags, shoes, and other accessories, because they really are crafted very well, handmade, and it's an ethical brand. So definitely something to check out. So I hope you enjoyed the review, and thanks for watching.